Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new, my name is Gianna Georgatos, and today I'm gonna show you guys my go-to hairstyles for when I have dirty hair. So let's talk about my hair for a second. So it has taken me about 5 years to grow my hair this length. So we went to Italy about 5 years ago and my hair was like, I'm not kidding, like cheekbone length, which had to happen. I bleached my hair blonde and then I went lavender and then I went gray. So my hair was just super damaged and yeah, it had to happen. It sucks that I did it the morning I left for Italy because I look horrible in all of my pictures, but you live and you learn. So I have very fine, thin hair, and I'm very fortunate because this is my natural color now. I only do a colored gloss like twice a year, and I only wash it like 2 times a week. So I wanted to show you guys my go-to looks for when my hair is dirty, plain and simple. So right now, my hair's a mess. The first hairstyle that I do is super easy. I wear it all the time, like it's literally my go-to, and that's just a low pony and a low bun. Ow. I really need a good haircut, so tomorrow my hair is gonna look so much better than it does right now. Okay, so I start off like that. I do pull out these little baby hairs on the side just because they kind of hurt if they're pulled back. So I just leave them out. With a black pony, you just wrap it around twice. Okay. So this is my low pony. It's like anybody else's low pony, but I like to add in some hair accessories. So I'm gonna add in this big black bow. Sure. So I put the bow right above the hair tie. Come on. There we go. Clasp it in. And pull your hair tighter. You bring it down, and there we have it. Super cute, super simple, super easy. I just like it. I think it's really cute. So yeah, this is like numero uno look when I really don't even like want to attempt to do my hair. This is what I do. If it's a really hot day and I don't want to have my hair in a pony, which it is right now in California, it is, let's see, what's the temperature? 97 degrees. It's 97 degrees and we're in quarantine and my pool is closed. So if it's really hot like it is today and I don't feel like wearing a pony, I just twist my hair around and then I wrap it around the ponytail. I use an extra pony and I just do a low bun. Really simple, like so simple. I also I rarely care what my hair looks like from the back. I don't know why. I'm very much so like what it looks like facing forward. So then we'll take this guy out. So for my next look, my hair is crazy. I'm gonna take about 1 inch of hair in the front, pull it out. Everything else is gonna go up into a messy bun. So my bun looks pretty good. It's to my standards. I'll pull out my baby hairs again. And you could totally leave your hair like this. I know there's a Instagrammer that I follow. Her name is HRH. And she wears her hair like this all the time with a straight bang. I personally like to do a little beach wave to it. It's just my thing. So I have a flat iron here in front of me and just going to do a little curl, nothing major, and I always leave out the ends and then kind of hold it in place for about 5 to 10 seconds. Okay. So I'm just gonna leave them here for a second. Let my hair kind of cool in this position. That's gonna make the curl remember. Like, so your hair has memory, obviously, which is like how when you blow dry your hair and it's straight, stays straight, or when you straighten your hair, it stays straight, or when you curl your hair, it stays curled. It's because your hair has memory. So you want to let the heat kind of cool and allow your hair to remember that it's being curled. So while we wait, I'll take another ginger ale break. And I'm gonna see where my husband is. Anyway, back to my hair. So now I'm gonna pull my fingers through and kind of, you know, do like that. I mean, it's so simple. It's like the easiest thing. I did it for my sister's baby shower. The only difference from when I normally do it is that my fringe is a little bit shorter, so they don't really lay this long, but I'm not 100% opposed to it. It's just they're usually shorter. So my final look is a little excessive, but it's cute. So if you have fuller hair, you don't have to do this part, but because I do have thinner hair, I add a couple pieces of extensions in just because I want to have that voluminous like look to it. So these hair extensions, I believe they're Foxy Luxe. I've had them for a while. You can obviously tell they're like super used. I really only wear hair extensions now for volume, but I used to wear them for length, but now I don't need the length. They're literally like almost the same length as my hair, so like no biggie. Okay, so my hair extensions are in. As you could tell, they just immediately give me so much more volume, which is great. I really wish I was born with like thick hair, but none of my sisters have thick hair. My mom had really thin hair, so it's just hereditary. So what you need are these little rubber bands. I picked mine up from the dollar store actually. And we're gonna do some pull through braids. So I kind of guesstimate my center part, and then you take your little rubber band, okay. So you have a pigtail right now, right? So you want to eye it. I usually do 3 pull throughs, so I kind of just know where to put it, but it's basically like 2 inches of hair. And then you separate your little pigtail and you pull your hair through, and then you just pull these up. So doing the second one. Separating it and pulling it through, and then pull this part out. And then the last one's usually like a little guy, but it's okay. Okay, one side's totally done, and let me go do the other side. So my braids are done. We got hair everywhere. I shed like crazy. So you could totally go out in public looking like this. I said this in my IGTV. I personally don't think I look good just like this. I feel like I look like Wednesday Addams. So my tried and true olive and pipe hat. You just throw it on and there you go. I absolutely love this hairstyle. It's like one of my absolute favorites. It's so easy and it's so cute and so trendy. So yeah guys, those are all of the hairstyles that I do when I have dirty hair. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you recreate any of my hairstyles. I mean, I feel like they're pretty common, but who knows, maybe they're not. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!